Hey, Max. Maxaroo. Are you jumping? See him? Maxaroo, are you jumping? Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Huh? Max, where's Mama? Max. Hey, buddy. Hey, Chubbers. You smile? Where's the smile? Huh? Where's the smile? Maxwell. Do you see Mally? Where's Mally, Max? Can you see Mallory? Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Yeah. Hi. Do you see me? Hi, baby boy. Hi, Max. Where's Mama? Boop. No touch, honey. No touch. Hey, honey, you can't touch, honey. Oh, you can't see, can you? Is that what you're doing? You can't see, Max? Maxwell! Do you want to show your cute hair, Mally? Should we show him your cute hair today? So cute. What is that green thing in your mouth? What's that green thing? Hey. You. Mallory. Are you ignoring me? Mallory. What's in your mouth? Where's that nooger supposed to be? In your bed? Should we go put it in your bed? Yeah. Go put it in your bed. Hey. Hi, Max. Millie. Don't fling him. He's not a slingshot. Just leave him. Hi, Max.